What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today is the day we're finally going to tune this ute. So we're heading to the dyno at the moment. Spent some time on the dyno this morning getting the tune dialed in, getting it all finalised and make sure it's all good. So sort of hoping, I'm hoping for around 340 wheel. I reckon that'd be a pretty good number for the little combo. So we'll go and see how we go. There's a brake light out. Something to look at.
No, you have to be able to close the door on the front. You can see here you've got an inch.
It's first run. Need a bit more fuel in the bottom there. No, just after 4.5 there, we need a bit more fuel in it. That's pretty good for the first run. It's not bad. Pretty happy with that. So there you go, guys, pretty good results for the old ute. Very happy with that. 377 horsepower at the treads. That's pretty good for that baby combo in there. So I think next thing for Tony, the bloke that owns it, is going to be to get them diff gears sorted, because it's still geared real bad for what it is. It's a bit of a pain to drive, especially if he plans on loading it right up, which he does for work. So probably try and get that sorted. Which way we go about that, not sure. I'll have to talk to him about it, but yeah, it's nice to have that done and tuned and everything be really on point. So very happy with that. And that is just with HSV headers and just not even an exhaust as well. It's just I don't know, pretty much a stock exhaust system, I think, just a stock V8 exhaust system. So nothing special with the exhaust. So if you put a decent exhaust system on it, I reckon it'll help it out quite a bit as well. But anyway, that's going to be all up to him. So nice to have that done. Cheers for watching, as always, and we'll see you on the next one. Catch you later. Rightio, guys, just going to tack this onto this video, but we've actually isolated the issue we were having with the cruiser up the beach yesterday down to a plug lead. All symptoms seem to be pointing at plug lead. We've messed around this morning.
Immediately found it.
Oh, you found it?
Oh yeah. Look at that bad boy.
Oh, yeah.
So straight away, I just had a quick look and I was like, I reckon it's that one. And you pull that off and yep, it's just cooked.
Yeah.
So
that's just under bonnet heat that causes that.
Yeah.
So obviously throughout the day it just got hot and it got to a point where the rubber's broken down and now it's arcing out.
Well, that one.
And that's why it's breaking down the way it was.
The other ones are routed not too bad, but that one, just for whatever reason, was just really close to that manifold runner.
Yep.
So obviously, yeah, it's just over. It's just breaking it down. So I'll trim it up, try and fix it up, put a new boot on it, and try and reroute it so it's a bit nicer and it shouldn't happen again.
So that should have this issue with the cruiser sorted. So the other thing I wanted to add on as well is that I know it seemed like this ute sort of dragged on a bit, but it's just because of the way the content's being released 3 times a week. It's actually, in reality, only been 2 weeks since I received the ute. So it actually came together pretty quick when we consider the delays we had with parts, having to wait for those rings and bearings and stuff, and then having to wait for the new rings when the original rings didn't gap up properly. And then obviously we had Christmas and New Year's thrown in there as well. So plus we got the patrol done in the meantime too. So we've actually been working pretty hard at it and to get it done that quick. So pretty stoked with it, how it came together and how it's gone. So I'm very happy with that. But anyway, I just thought I'd tack this on the end of the video. Cruiser is getting sorted at the moment. And then Rex will take it down and get it washed. So yeah, sweet. Cheers for watching. Catch you later.